Good morning, children. I am Sanjay Kumar Singh, your science teacher, going to present my first video for the virtual class. I am going to start chapter 12 from NCERT book of Standard 10. Chapter 12, Electricity. Electricity is the most important and convenient form of energy. In today's world, we can't imagine our life without electricity. Recently, I was watching movie. You too might have watched it. Do you know what happened to the genie at the end? Genie, who was always trapped in a lamp, was freed. Do you know where did he go after? He came back to us as electricity, and the lamp is all in our hands in the form of switches. So let's explore the modern genie, the electricity. So here we'll start the first topic of this lesson, electric current. You all are aware of the term bulb, switch and connecting wires, and you have learnt in junior classes to make simple electric circuit with the help of connecting wire, bulb and battery. Here is one such circuit given. In an electric circuit, there are two things that flow. One is the electrons. Electrons flow from negative terminal towards the positive terminal, and second is the electricity or electric current that always flows from positive terminal towards the negative terminal. So now we shall learn to define electric current. Electric current may be defined as the flow of charge per unit time, or we can simply say flow of charge per unit time is called electric current. If we use symbol I for electric current, Q for quantity or amount of charge, and T for time, then we can get the equation I is equal to Q by T. Now, if we go to get the unit of current, we can simply use the units of charge and unit of time and this provided equation to get the unit of current. So, unit of current will be Coulomb per second, and that can be written as capital C by S. Here Coulomb per second is also known as 1 ampere. 1 Coulomb per second has another name called ampere, and 1 ampere may be defined as flow of 1 Coulomb of charge in 1 second. Here again I am repeating, 1 ampere may be defined as flow of 1 Coulomb of charge in 1 second. So here what are the important things you have to remember? This important formula, I is equal to Q by T, unit of current, charge and time, as you already know. And you have to learn to solve the numericals based on this formula, and you have to define 1 ampere. Please learn the definition of 1 ampere. Now we'll practice few numericals on the topic. Here are 3 numericals, very simple, one for our practice. Now numerical problem first that I have provided, how many electrons make 1 Coulomb of charge? Here we are going to use one concept that we learned in standard 9 and unitary method to get how many electrons make 1 coulomb of charge. Now you all know, you have learnt in 9th that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb charge is present on 1 electron. So we can use this as charge on 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So when we write 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge will be equal to 1 electron. So 1 coulomb charge will be equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron. When he will calculate, he will get it 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron. Now you can remember this value too. Charge on 1 electron, as you already know, and 1 coulomb charge is formed by 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Here the second numerical, what is the current of a bulb through which 5 coulomb charge flows in 10 seconds. So you know I is equal to Q by T. Putting the values, you can easily calculate. Here current will be 0.5 ampere. Now this third numerical problem, calculate the amount of charge flowing through a fan drawing 1 ampere current in 5 minutes. So from main formula I is equal to Q by T, we can get the formula Q is equal to IT. So when we put the value of current and time, one important thing you have to remember here, time is provided in minutes. So unless you convert it into seconds, you may not get the answer in coulombs. So you know 5 minutes will be equal to 5 into 60 seconds. Therefore charge will be equal to 1 ampere into 5 into 60 seconds, and this will come as 300 coulombs. Thank you for watching the first video. You may pause the numericals or any content or reverse it and learn the first topic. Thank you.